Welcome to 1 Up 5 Down. I'm Eric, and in today's video,
today I'm going to be installing the SC Project slip-on exhaust onto the 2018 Tuono V4 Factory. So first I'm going to take off the mid-pipe section, take this color off first. My idea is just I don't want to take this off to begin with because I don't want to put any unnecessary weight on the mid-pipe or anything as we're taking the pipe off. So start here and then we'll take it off. What was that? Alright, so just cleaned out the can a little bit, just to make sure it has a good surface and for something for the sticker to stick to. Again, these are heat resistant, so when you put them on, they're not going to oxidize, come off, or anything like that. So.
high temp sticker.
Yeah. So and this large one really fits in between these bolts here pretty nicely. So.
Any ideas?
Alright, so first I'm gonna come down. Oh, well, never mind. Let's wait for it to cool down.
Yeah.
Yeah, warm me.
Well, you know, we just heated up the engine and
oh, yeah.
so we could do some revs on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So it was like 180 degrees Fahrenheit when we shut it down after revving it.
I forgot.